Oh, you want to bliksem me? Okay. I'm at a Wimpy in the Glen. I'm wearing a blue windbreaker with a striped shirt and I've got a grey beard. Okay. Okay, come over to the Wimpy. I'm wearing a blue checkered shirt.
That's fine. You must come.
You want a Mura old man? That's fine. I'm wearing a blue checkered and white shirt. I've got grey hair. I'm wearing white running shoes. I'm reading my newspaper. Yeah. Yeah, come moor me. I'm ready for a fight. I might look old, but I will moor you.
And I'm wearing a black t-shirt with glasses. Come in, come and moor me. I'm wearing a black t-shirt with glasses.
I'm wearing a pink pullover. Yeah, stripy, blue stripy shirt.
Jy is nog nie ou wat jy gesoek het nie.
Hey! 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 Come here. I want to talk to you.